Hi everyone, this is Samantha. Today I'm going to share how you can ensure the quality of your finished goods matches the sample you confirmed. Maintaining consistent product quality is a key to building customer trust and avoiding costly issues. Here are 5 steps you can take to control product quality effectively. The first one, sample evaluation. When collecting quotes from multiple suppliers and the product photos all look similar, it's a good idea to request physical samples. This allows you to evaluate each one in person based on packaging, product material, size, texture, and overall appearance, etc. This step helps you identify which supplier could deliver the products close to your expectations. Second, golden sample as a benchmark. Once you confirm the sample and decide to place the order, use that sample as your golden sample, your official quality benchmark. Here's what to do. Send a confirmed sample back to the supplier with a label or stamp with signature. Use tamper evidence sticker that's hard to remove to prevent the sample from being swapped. Always request at least 2 or 3 identical samples, one to send back to supplier and one to keep for your records, and one for third-party inspection if needed. The supplier can use this golden sample as standard for production, helping ensure the finished goods match what you approved. Third, mid-production inspection. It's wise to schedule a mid-production inspection when 20% to 30% of order is completed, especially when your product has tight tolerance or specific requirements. This allows you to catch any deviation at the early stage and request corrections before the full batch is finished, reducing the risk of delays and defective stocks. The fourth step, final inspection. Once production is completed, a final inspection before shipment is highly recommended. Use a third-party inspection service to check the product quality based on AQL standards. This involves randomly selecting a sample batch to identify any defects and make sure that the products meet your expectations. Fifth, inbound inspection. If needed, you can also conduct an inbound inspection when the goods arrive at your warehouse. If unacceptable defects are found, contact the supplier promptly to resolve the issue and prevent it from happening again. Final tips. Letting suppliers know in advance that you will conduct an inspection is a great way to emphasize your expectations and encourage better quality control on their side. Be sure to clearly document detailed product spec, packaging requirements, and printing contents in your order to keep everyone aligned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about inspection and sample evaluation, just feel free to reach out. I will be happy to help. This is Samantha. Have a great day. Bye!